Hello, welcome. This is English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely. I am happy you are here today. We are talking about a very important idea today. It is about work and rest. Sometimes we feel that to achieve success, we must work every moment. We must be busy all the time. But this feeling is not always correct. Our topic today is simple: learn to rest. Why you can achieve more by doing less. I invite you to relax and listen closely until the very end. Think about the last time you felt very busy. You were working hard on English. Maybe you were studying for school or working at your job. You spent many hours on a task. You became tired, very tired. When the body and the mind are tired, the quality of your work goes down. Your mind moves slowly. Your energy is low. It becomes hard to remember new words. It becomes difficult to solve problems. You are still working, but you are not achieving much. You are working, but the success is small. Why? Because your body and your brain need a chance to recover. They need rest. Rest is not a weakness. Rest is a necessary tool. Rest is a form of powerful work. Let us think of your brain like a smartphone. When you use your phone all day, the battery becomes low. When the battery is empty, the phone stops working. It cannot do anything more. To make the phone work again, what must you do? You must stop using it and let it charge. You must give it time to rest and gain new energy. Your brain is the same. When you give your brain time to rest, you are giving it time to charge. This quiet time allows your brain to organize the information it learned. It moves the new English words and the grammar rules from temporary memory to strong, permanent memory. This is powerful work happening quietly during rest. When you rest, you are not lazy. You are preparing for greater achievement. When you go back to studying English after a period of rest, your focus is stronger. Your mind is clearer. You remember information easily. This means you will learn more quickly in a shorter amount of time. You will achieve better success with less effort. How can you use this idea? You do not need a lot of rest. You only need short moments of good rest. Do not work for 4 hours straight. Instead, work for 45 minutes, then take a 15-minute break. This short break is a period of important rest. Stand up, walk slowly, look out the window, stop thinking about work or study, or try a moment of quiet sitting, maybe 5 minutes, just quiet time. Let your mind be still. When you plan your study time or your work time, plan the rest time too. Make rest a part of your success plan. Tell yourself, I will achieve better results because I plan to rest. Remember, resting is part of the process of achieving more. It is not an enemy of work. It is the strongest partner of work. So today, I want to leave you with one idea. Be kind to your brain. Allow your body and mind to charge fully. When you feel tired, take a moment. Rest your mind. When you stop rushing, when you allow the mind to be quiet, you prepare yourself for faster learning and stronger results. We believe in you and your success. You are making great progress every day. Rest today so you can achieve something amazing tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Goodbye for now.